Hi guys, Joe from Pepper in the Woods, and today we're looking at Firepot dehydrated meals, and this one is spicy pork noodles. We've tried some before in the past. I did a camping video where I used these. I did a video recently where I tried another one out. So now we're going to boil some water up and try these out and see how they taste. Alright, so I'm only using some cotton and some cut-offs of some projects I've been doing. I'm gonna put too much because I'm gonna put the lid on. But just get that going. Pop the lid on. Make sure I got enough water. And this. Now again, when you put this kettle thing on, just make sure the chain's not in the way and you're not holding it over, because otherwise you just burn your hands. So this shouldn't take long. I'm going to leave the cap just in it, but so you can keep some of the air in. Right, so kettle's boiled. I'm going to do what I did last time, and I'm going to use a cup because you need two hands for the kettle, and I'm going to just make this up. So this one, level 3, we did that last time. So I'm just going to pinch level 3 so I know where it is. Ooh, this one looks different. Can you guys see that? Probably not. Okay. So try to burn myself again. Let's see if I can get these measurements right. 3 there. It's about there. Right. So I'm just going to give it a quick stir. And then we'll just wait 15 minutes. Alright, that's time. I have mixed them. So smell funny. Right, let's see, can you see that? I'll try to get a better picture of a spoon. The noodles are like flat noodles. I'll get less on there and show you. Yeah, little flat noodles. So I said, nice flat noodles. I think I prefer the other ones better. A little bit of a kick in the end. But I don't know, I'm not sure if it's the texture. It does taste like a stir fry, and the kick is not to the end, which is nice. It kind of gets you like here and here, the little burn. It's not like burning your tongue or anything. I mean, if you like stir fries, it might be for you, but if I'm buying the bigger packs of these, because these are the small packs, I'll probably give this one a miss. That pasta bolognese one I had before, that was nice. The ones I had camping, those were good. Can't remember which ones they were, but after watching this video, you can go check that in a playlist. I mean, I'll eat it because I'm hungry, but I wouldn't go out of my way to buy this one. But I think Firepot is relatively new, so if you tried Firepot and dehydrated meals, let me know what you think in the comment section. I think it's Mountain House. They're quite popular in America. My mum sent me a couple. I tried them, they were quite nice. They do nice dessert ones as well, but you know, we can't get them here, but I think they're like between £5 and £7 a pack or something like that, so they're a bit pricey. But okay. Hungry. Right, so I'm gonna finish eating this one. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you can, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.